Oh wow, you got a whole amp rack right here.
Yeah, it's a lot cleaner than before.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Got this actually all cleaned up.
Can I see the trunk?
Yes.
Where's your amp? Oh, your amp's right here. Never mind. Oh wow, you got a whole amp rack right here.
Yeah, it's a lot cleaner than before.
Tell me your name, what's in here real quick, man?
Chris, got two EM Audio 3K12s on a DC Audio 3.5K. Avatar ATU 1000.4 on all the doors. EM Audio 6.5 in the doors. Mekman 270. All the goodies.
What are you wired to?
Half ohm.
Is that a 8-inch port?
Yeah, 8-inch port.
What is your tuning?
35.
35, okay. I really like the way the cone is on that sub.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Yeah, nice work. And it's really sealed off, so you don't have as much trunk flex, I'm sure. Nice job, man. You on team?
Team Retribution.
Team Retribution. All right. Awesome. What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Vile. I do daily car audio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of Chris's system. This was at the TDH show in Virginia of 2021. Team Deadly Hertz did a really good job showcasing it. Looking forward to showing y'all this really impressive dual 12-inch subwoofer system. This was actually his previous system video link. I went ahead and put in the description as well. That was the thumbnail. This is actually when he had two different type of 12s and a smaller airport, and now he's running a 8-inch airport with beefier. These are 3,000 watt RMS 12-inch subwoofers from EM Audio. Ran at half ohm on the 3,500 watt amp. I was really impressed to see how well he sealed off his trunk with the subwoofer box. And I do have a question for everybody. Do you prefer slot port or arrow port? Looking forward to seeing what y'all say in the comment section. He ran an airport, got the job done. Good amount of port area to cone area ratio. Did really well. You'll see in the demo we're getting to. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way. And enjoy this demo. Really tearing up this vehicle. All right. there. Wow.
Yeah, the last couple videos we had, they weren't too great.
It's all good, man. Appreciate the demo, man. I really like the way the cone is on that sub.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Yeah, nice work. And it's really sealed off, so you don't have as much trunk flex, I'm sure. Nice job, man. Thanks for the demo. What was your name?
Chris.
Chris. You on team?
Team Retribution.
Team Retribution. All right. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.